Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you shortly on how to connect your paper trading on TradingView. So if you're new to TradingView and you want to start practicing how to trade using paper trading, I'm going to show you how to do that right on your TradingView. But before we get started, all I want you to do for me is hit that subscribe button and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right now I'll just click on my chart right here. So as you can see, this is my TradingView, right? So I want to connect the paper trading after analyzing my pair and knowing where it should go and if whether I want to buy or sell, and now I want to connect my trading paper view, right? So now you can see right here, this is my long tool. If you don't know how to use your long tool on TradingView, there will be a video in the description below where I've already explained how to place your long tool position using this, right? So right now I've placed it and I want to connect my paper view, right? My paper trading view. So I'll just click on it. If I click on it, you will see right here where these three dots are. I will just go ahead and tap on it. Now if I tap on it, you will see where they're writing create limit order. I'll go ahead and create limit order. Now you can see right here they say paper trading brokerage stimulated by TradingView. These are stimulated funds that enables you to practice buy and sell on TradingView, right, until you get mastered and get used to it before you can decide to fund your real account. So I can just go ahead and click on it. Once I click on it, you will see this connect. I'll click connect. Now it has automatically connected. Right now if I should want to place a sell position right now, so I'll still go ahead and click on it. Click on these three dots. Once I click on it, create limit order right here. Once I click on create limit order, and now you can see how it looks like right here. You can see the buy right here and you can see my stop loss right here, stop loss price, and my take profit price right here. Now if I want to go ahead, I can go ahead and click on sell, and if I click on sell, you can see right here it has already been placed here, and you can see my stop loss right here and my take profit right here. So this is the simplest way on how to add in paper trading on your TradingView, right? Please, if you're still watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.